ebuja for Ahaya GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news nkwa era mede bremo. Enuti so we subscribe to channel idea but more than say be subscribe. The other yard say we click a subscribe button no. Now barely notification. We understand the video be upload no. When the first person I was be can video afi we are now like video give us a thumbs up. Now share video ma Afo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana memo afi yimbura ye ensemo abeto yepno so a list or ye regular panelist on the political talk show and the book of ye papa the cocoa apai and ye what to be the money easy Akufo Addo Bawumia ninyi na gina ye isi hu nsensem ya sisi aka na kakra bi na ye beto aba no no de kokobon sema to dwa so bia nya na bi so bi aba wem no bia so tukwan ko bia na borders ni nyina on be close borders no tukwan ko bia e nyina e be tran kromo ati wa adwen se obema wo ye ne basabasi bi si wo kromo de ene ye mfa wo ho enchew I don't know what you say Ghana for Sabu, and Jibifo, na Yakotoba, Ekotoaba, Eddie Ama, a year Bawumia, and a list over near Akufo Addo Bawumia, see why you want to pass. Now, what is some do Nara and Atuja, and Tentemara, Yankodakachi, Yaguti, and somewhere you list over a few Eguhodum.
And we are making sure we deal with that thing. Sir, say, Yababe creative mess, and I creative chaos, and Ghana, and I may me passport a Ghana. Obebani ejira airport kwan no obeje kwan ya befa so obewrem. They don't even know the security architecture of this country. Hwe omonko kanda pa de sebi na adwene wo fom kra onim nyansa che Akufo Addo no nyina. Omonko busa kanda pa in 2008. What happened? President Akufo ona na ekura tumi se ye kasa obi ekura tumi wo Ghana ha. President Akufo or no only defense minister or say security has broken down. Satan near a time. Now you're time. Now you're very cocksure, sir. With President Akufo in the helm of affairs, we were going to bring a certain fictitious to make a change. Senator Professor Mills will never be elected. What happened? It's as if it's the first time we are holding an election in this country. You have a president who will put a statue in a very, your friend is saying, on third road, and will be honored as a useless, your friend is saying, a president ever, because baby and statue who say is a very useless president. Now you think the people of this country are this useless to go and elect Bawumia or Numpo? Akufo Addo Mpokra the channel. Say he has been in politics for a while. Say we are this stupid. Say as a country we will go and elect Bawumia. Now, I know we are mobile because where Ghana ni be any obe say Bawumia kwasi ampani be ye man pani ensi.
Listo me host shy in the atem.
Any me ba me sume ni atem amenti. Because me ba na me sua na me rehearsals. To rehearsals na me dey ma no. What you say? Obi enu obapene. Na see that. They can do their worst. You see, I tell them as it is. Sometimes ayana anyone be owa. I to say people see the NDC as a weakling, like they see it party or no ya won free revolution mu but ebia omo kandi fo no akwai say no ya di dwan edi datanim entino jatafo no behave like inwan because of the leadership, because Professor Mills by no will behave to say oye a sheep ana ode awone ba mahama entino they think say udwan onisen and waka, but they always forget that onisen onkaw but udwan onimpem and udwan pem na emu a omudi na chi ne ye jata omore. So I'm just thinking that, you see, it is not for us to advise the fool. Someone has deliberately fallen asleep. How do you wake that person up? What said that? Say what that?
So
what's the me metal studio ha?
O di bedi boni.
Debi o ne boni na o person odi die no. E kwan be na obefa so odi bedi.
Because listo hwe
say we na na me ka say we a chew ne. Me nim confirm mo ye enyo mo ye Kumasi ho nyina. Kumasi ho no se bi Wontumi no da be na oba Kumasi ho. Wontumi enye Prempeh College kurampa me nye sure say nka Kumasi kuran ko atena woda. Ene a Wontumi kurase wonim Kumasi no. Ye wo ba bi o Kumasi ho a ebi a meme wo fa ase Kofi Eboa no. Omo Kofi Eboa se also Wontumi nsa de na fa ba bi kura wo ba bi onu ankasa ni fichire wa hwe a onim ho. Ene information a obi de bra me a about a certain hotel bi a omo ye omo lie bi wo ho. Eye me se twe hotel owner na mu no. Oya pipi ni o. Ono an frɛ me. Hotel owner oya MPP ni mapa. Ono an fa phone e frɛ me se listo o nkofo na be sha omo ye sei. E me sere. Enti na me se enkosi baabia. Se nipa omo wo MPP mu a sebi enkwan adwoa ma omanu sini enya bi esanom. Omo yesen. Asenof is my example all the time. My case study. Hwe nana ma ukai se Asenof ye wo ho. E na ye sha ase se ye bobo aba no. Na omo akose se to trafo e de omo awura Asenof. Ba akokura de ye hunu tie omo. E de omo ko wura baabi. E che no hu se eye MPP fo. Ni nyina nkemfo nana ma bibusa a question we. Ya bo baba no onyina kwa ho na hu so mo di speed etu omo kasa omo dwane omo ja ho boys ne kwa wa akire enkwala na omo soma omo say mo koso say etu omra mo mfa me yese no omo ja omo wa akire. Some of these boys I talk with them all the time. You see, we are in the street. Say Bawumia say wono as frɛ enkofo mo nkokon na me mampani. Etu he Bawumia ene e wa wo soso ye be soma be kode ene wo de ujimi no ne ntabri ncho be say. Because I mean how say Wontumi say mako mobilize Machomen editua momo monye na momo nkokon na me ntimi tena ba mu ntu galamsey na omo soso omo agimi enti obese ye kwa kokon ama hwan a ye kokon ama Wontumi. Me say it will not akwesa akwa ne brofo na wo kan ne wo kaso aho no. Your argument has fallen flat. The argument has fallen flat.
But listo wetie.
Now,
say me baby am to aba. Say electoral commission say
yes.
merge polling stations.
Yes.
Me baby am to aba apart from minim polling station fufuru dia.
Yes.
Say me ko hono mo na say hono ne ya close na he na mefa.
I'll tell you what, Nana. Polling stations na omo kasa omo close no no. Ube komu no. Na eye polling stations a omo di be di bone.
Yes.
And na say no, hwe America ni wo election we nche bibia. Because nobody wants to plunge this nation. Nobody wants this nation to be plunged into chaos. The kind of investment America here or Ghana hano, bi. The kind of investment other countries here or Ghana hano, in the people of this country, we have no such developments. We have no such infrastructures. And America would not want to sit down and watch them destroy this country in the name of an election. And until after the American ambassador started putting out these comments, and America will say, no, let's revise our nose. If not, they will clash us. Because America is ready to help us clash them. I'm telling you, and it's for a fact. America will not want us to be seen as a country on my way above. Because a certain Bawumia, a certain income poop wants to become president. You think it is America's desires that beyond everything, an income poop should be our president and be rallied in the process by another riffraff and no not? You think America wants to see It's not even in their interest to want to know who maybe John Mahama is or Bawumia is. But look, they have the statistics also. The data is clear. Like Bawumia, whenever he wants to lie, he will run behind a certain data which is very fictitious. America knows the trends. I'm using just America. I'm not using Russia. I'm not. Me for America. Me for Russia. Me for any other countries. But Ghana is not just an island. And like I say, young quiet the Hubi and Tino Mensa betimia ye di ope. Now say, but you say you see Torkornoo in America.
So aba.
The thing I say or buy. Because my letter here ready, me they come America for embassy say such nipa way and you kwasa mo gye no mo mamu. When kwasa rule here no obey ye. Wo be mo man na bo na wo adwane akotre obi krom. Edu ka America o mema Mensa say Mensa be sene kotre America ho. Wo ka so obey.
Nkwasa ruling se misro.
Eye nkwasa ruling. Nkwasa eye Jimmy judgment.
Eye listo.
Jimmy,
conclude sir.
I mean to conclude. Obi Jimmy an kan chance we Jimmy. Now we nyansa be na wo mu nyansa be na wo mu. If so ma me no papa tete wo kan book a wo hu nyansa no. Sa de we ya wo kan ne nrai. Ebi wo adwenem. Why na wo wiase a o se me matemu oni me kwadwene ho aba. Asem we ye ka kire nipa. Wontimi nwi ansa na waba to conclusion say me dwen ye no ma adwen nie na ma wie ye nie. How do you conclude without any argument? What was your analysis? Afenyo waka kwa conclude we no. Afenyo wo se me analyze ya ba be kan kire. Eye Jimmy and yesa. Eti no back to the
one na waka wasemu.
Na mpacho when na make na asem. Me pacho ma adwene de obi tiri mu ana.
One na waka.
Ana asem me newscaster wa ha me ba na the news ama me se me nkan. You called me to come and share an opinion. Me na make say me list to one na poku a me nim nyansa che ajaje fo Jimmy fo no. And I make say
list to Debbie.
Na why?
Debbie.
Me pacho.
Debbie ya broso.
Broso say
Debbie pacho. Misro.
Hey.
Debbie.
You say so my dreams so be say control.
Why dream but Debbie.
Me na me see nim nyansa che.
Debbie list to ya. Ya broso.
Eti me nka se Torkornoo nim nyansa che me. Ah, aseme na be so okay. Eti me Jimmy sa. Torkornoo nim nyansa che me. Wo be so didi matema na. O pa for me call chief justice say me yes ankwase ruling na. I won't be that stupid even if I'm me call law school. I won't be that stupid.
Listen well.
What is their basis? And you know, my point is to make sure say Obia say on my way thinking say obet me Daniel to America and see. In fact, answer the about trouble, we will close all the borders. The people of this country will close every border. Yeah, chances so they close border. Yeah, I close borders no. I think Divine even mentioned it some time ago. And we are making sure we deal with that thing. Say, say, ya babe create mess, and now ya create chaos. Ghana, and me passport a Ghana. Obe bani e airport kwano. Obe je kwanya abe fa so obe rem. They don't even know the security architecture of this country. Hwe, omunko kanda pa de sebi na adwene wo from kra onim nyansa che Akufo Addo no nyina. Omunko busa kanda pa in 2008. What happened? President Akufo ona na ekura to me, se e ka so obi ekura to me wo Ghana ha. President Akufo only defense minister or say security has broken down. Satan near a time. Now you're time. Now you're very cocksure, say, with President Akufo in the helm of affairs, we were going to bring a certain fictitious to make a change. Senator Professor Mills will never be elected. What happened? It's as if it's the first time we are holding an election in this country. You have a president who will put a statue in a very, your friend is saying, on third road, and will be honored as a useless, your friend is saying, a president ever, because baby and statue who say is a very useless president. Now you think the people of this country are this useless to go and elect Bawumia or Numpo? Akufo Addo mpokra de yetibi de channel. Say Aremeyaw Anas he has been in politics for a while. Say we are this stupid. Say as a country we will go and elect Bawumia. And then we will watch you steal an election, you rig an election. Now Machomen baby. Now oh yeah. Oba now worry akusua menu ase ho aman na oti ayi no. Ono krampo no, sa oba no, onimnyansa che wo no. Machomen.
Listo yana fo an.
Etimedi manu si a. Ema obi anya worried. Apart from say ye di nyame adi anim kan no. Na okon ne nya ye kon no. Ye ma ye ni ada ho te se aboa owo. Ekomu de wa fa kom ne ko gina ho ne ye nto aba no na hwemu frenchem ukwa abie wani te se de Akufo Addo ye o parliament wo no. Ha wani sei na hwa abanim. Emma wani kura emma wani kosua no emma wani fe wani na hwem. Ukura phone na fa video. Ene social media no bibia video bibia koso bia. Se ne be ya ye beto abani be wie be kan no wonim se o polling station se ne nyaaye wo wie a akwa no de be farm dan ne ho wa farm dan ne ho a mamu mani free polling station ho jolo be koso mo mani nkoso de mbe ye bia mbema mbe make sure se oni start am nko ka bi ma no no farm dan ne ho asa no wie a wako o konso so a pick up a car na isi be provide no mun gina chire na mun nyina mun ni achire na obi anfa ehye ensia medane nkono
okay
obi anane ye nkwanta
okay
entimu me yema yani na ho aba no ye beto ye be kan che o matwitwa ballot papers ene ye dia siesie ye be ballot staffing wa ye be chew mummuno obi a wo wi abam no oye just equal to obi a opese oye coup d'etat mummuno monyire no ansa na police be che no se ne mokwachi atayi no omoye no monye ni bibi pepepe with minimum force menka maximum force minimum force ni situ na atu mummuro no papa next time no obehu se sebi ye wi abam makwase ani yeso
okay
etimedi manu si a yenyire ye ho ye konkoden na yenya abam buo kasa omo pese omo wiem a wo so kwa akowiem na wo wiem ne obi chiw no obo de ne wa wase
omo pese omo wiem so omo ye mema mo so mo ye mema
mo ti wana re bia na pese omo wiem asif say MPP before ye mema che obi
mo so mo ye
ono ye krofo obi a wache ne so ye krofo no ono kwa wono dwoye wo a wo wakoche krofo no wo se wadwodo
okay
etimo nyire mo ho omo so mbe wiem a kwa yo mbe fa so no mo so mo fa so bi mo ti omo kofa mo mburu omo
omo so chima no omo
so chima omo babu mu amomo so be ma ho kwa makwase abodi ya ne wa wase
okay abusu me ko
na me ka wi so na tire no so ye no ne bo onye den wo mafunu no na sen amafo ntimi ngo fufu kra wo fie tire so ne bo onye den
obi anfa
obi ho ban ye na na me no de wo ma nka me mpre ho ban etu betra mo obi abekun ye kuni pa nwotwe Akufo Addo kura ntimi afa obi an court wo betra me abekun entra me obi mekun in the name of so jani totai me na me too for me say totai fa ba ho ban
wo kan no obi a both side obi eti
me say obi entie
obi a
we people ni totai we and this ni totai fa ba ho ban entra me so jani kun ei etu mo ho ban
o de yen koye nim
na etu po am obi won ho ban
no men ka say obi totai obi mfa wo mafunu
na ka me yede me pa cho yente Ghana
ya to abani
na we see ento wo mafunu
listo well
wo mafunu no eno ya fa ngo fufu
listo
tai so ya de bo anoma
ya mfa wo mafunu nko police station be bia ye to aba
about time you bet me asho obi am on ho ban sada me afutu a me kan no ye be na me buo enti be na me buo no nte ase a me kirekirim se wo kwa empanifo se wonama fatai esa wo ho se ne be ya kwase bi mekun em ye koye wa yi
listo mame nkomanim
inconsistency ade a hidwe papa. Now if you have watched the Electoral Commission in terms of how Wayen Ejuma for some time now they have a lot hidden in their sleeves. They have a lot of hidden agenda. And you see, very much unfortunately,
why?
omo wo nneoma bebre omo de asie na ekwan bi so no nneoma na omo de asie no abri bia omo tutu fom no esan se omo ni ahoden a ye di tu fom no omo a omo soma omo tutu fom so omo fa de nkosie no omo a na se bi ombete ade ade to enti no se nka meni omo a na nka mema me nyansa atumefo esan se mahoden entimi enfa menko enkoduru ye woni pa bebra omo owiase a enye se bone e koso owiase no ebi a omo nyanko mu ni bone ni bio ahoden ne kura ode baye bone no oni bi sene basrefo wo nwum bi na me kai se ye wo Pentecost ni ye title sa nwum ne pa
okay
se na mahoden tumi kun na minyansan tumi kun o sa nwum no aha enye asorefo nko a na omahoden ntimi nko omokon in fact obun samso duru ba bia na hoden ntimi nko ekon a opese woko oti ase enu ntina Nyankopon enma etimi di obun samso no Pharaoh no wa hoden o na Pharaoh wa hoden pa na hoden na ekura na ode prim na koma na Nyankopon soso wa sheda prim Pharaoh akoma no na enye se sabi Moses hoden chen Pharaoh dabi na Moses o jai ni pemu merade oti ase enu ntina Nyankopon egusu a o prim o makoma no wo shan pipini a onim se wa mu o man ni yie wa anya ade oni bibia odigina so enu nti Ghana ni nto abama no oni bi oni nimde e woni tirimu a ode ka bibia kire wo se empo ma anya ade nanso samoma mi akwanya metimi aye wei oni bi oni hweka ode na ho ode nyina koto enwiamu so esan se onim se Akufo Addo na appoint Mensa won kwasiafo mienu bi ka ne ho Bossman ede Sammy tete omo de omo ho ode nyina agu omo so a omo nim die mu no omo susuye mu no omo adwen ye omo se Ghana fo ye nkwasiafo enu nti no omo befa kwati kwan so agitumi na firi Ghana fo nsem na yesu yanwuma yetoa ne ya hodin tumi nko ye nyansen tumi nko Jesus okuyi ye ukun ye de ye ho atu Nyankopon asem so esan se o se oni wona ye ko no woni wo mo beko omukobopo a divine. How do you get to know the details of the questions are mutimi pose to them one emma omutimi take a whole 8 hours off to bring very stupid answers. The question is this the first time Yabusa data statistics ana? Yes, because electoral commission bia nyebi sada. No commissioner has ever brought out voters register without statistics. That data statistics.
Breakdown.
The breakdown. No. A very fundamental. Elementary. Because Nana say ene document here kura me. Where NCC for book be a omo research be omo. This NCC document no without bibia to nchen without the table of content. How do you read the document? So data of content never shall say uko page 4 no ya tro chapter 2 study methodology enti no ubetimi ehu say in page 4 no ade we na ya tro ho enti instead say ubekọ akokan akoduru chapter 2 no rather no me pese me botra enu nti me kokan kwan omo fa so a omo ye document no anaso omo achieve the results no enu nti me akokan methodology enti e wo he page 4 sabi ye koto aba watro Ghana fo nyina din wotro din no enya se okọ ya no wabodin ye frame ya manu na ya tro me ti minu ya obi manu nka che ya me chia ba bia obi a publisher for e chia me tin nka che pa me kan ya manu ana me kan ana se ye frame Kwame Nkrumah kese a ewi adwe enya se okọ ya na ye tro wudin o ukọ ye no ye busa wo se ye frɛ wo sen na abo wudin
la do details
ani ye busa wo se wadi mfie sen ye wo bosumi be mu wa afe ben mu na daben na ye wo na ye tro ni nyina na ye wie na ye ma wo do nsa si afidie so na twen wo biodata enti no analysis ne se ye pesi ye hu ema dodo a omudin wo eye abato nkrata anim emema dodo a omudin wo abato nkrata anim in fact se wokọ advanced countries mu krampo a de eba ne se omutimi kire nipa dodo a omadi mfie aduasa omadi mfie du nwotwe omo a omadi mfie aduokono omadi mfie se nti wo befa eye data no unim se nipa a omudin wo abato nkrata anim no emu nwotwe adi mfie aduokono enu kura timi ma ye hu se oh Ghana de so far no nipa ebia nipa du ena omo adi aduokono omo to aba o te ase now o yes ha de ni wi a broni frɛ ade bi transparency
se muda ho
enu ni ade a wo ya ebe ma periperi yo emu be ye fine emu be ye krogen emu anya sabi shoti shawo che enti no wo de data ne ba bontin wi a NDC for say oh what the aba na susin to bi wa ha ye be ka say oh ho NDC for mu duebo na we no tieo wakọ hura gina bibi achi say emra ma ne ho kwan na ma emra ben ne ma oba ho kwan say okọ akoye electoral commissioner otwi pons no bibi wo ho sa
David
but what hunyansa say sabi udi wani mu ko che camera enu ntino anye bia no e wo se oye pleasant to audience we hu say nyansa ne se emra bia ni we ma kwan say e wo se oye makeup ansa na wakọ TV for a camera to take a shot of you we hu emra bia ma MC wo kwan ba emra bia nso ni wo kire say wo kwa ye makeup e dey ntina ye makeup. Now one of the administrative makeups no ena divine no ko busaye no what is orderly expected from any administrative practice and they say data bia no you have to analyze the data to the odi data na no answer no the data na onu so atimi ehu ne fare by data ne pompon so enkwala say kra na afi o ma register nipa say na wa register mo afra say efri da ye to aba bepem na nipa say na omudi aba be kan omudi ewo register ne so dada nipa say na awuo a wo ya awo so o ma wuo akuadonko ewu ye uti no newspaper mu a na say uti say ye keka ye room a abusuafo ma wo ho na wa ba gina bonten akuadonko awu enti say no party ni me replace no amen no am disqualify me nua Roman father
scanner no mo pe
oh so me de me nto omofo what am I say me nim bra afutuo ne beba because edu ba bia any kwan say wo ha woni ema kompo
ba listo ni wo nkan ya wo kan ti say de ye kan data ya say de divine church meja wono de okwa parking simple say nipa no I na just what the beba one register or original offices Oma collective bibia ho aka bibia bomu ho from constituency various constituencies to the regional office no so regional office no aye bibia actually say ema duduoni Asante region ema duduoni and then one mau data ne say in all no ni voters say any wo it's not like say Afenyo wo ba be ye no wakra ha to say ade na Afenyo when you from all the 60 regions
asema wo kan nyansani ne kasa se de wo kan na nipa no mo ye adwuma yi nyansani be na wo
no
but say you deliberate
nyansani ni mu ame no nya adwen
nyansani ne we
hwe nkrofo no mo ho no mu omunim ti wo nyansa but onim se obi pese be ombu kwasia no hu se wagimi a o pretend se wagimi ta no mo ye ho no they pretend ni se o magimi but they are not fools because some person mbu ye kwasia no omunim de omo ye
divine onim adia emfa bi emma wadwene mu da se obi a sheda agimi a o so onyimi wagimi obi a washeda agimi bia no wagimi obi a washeda onim nyansa na washeda se ade a eye nyansa kwan ni nanso mefa gimi kwan so aya ade bia no wagimi because sebi preduasa ye tiga na hanum no enye sebi ye hu je Mensa so bida akoya ne na se George yoti hai wono kura mpo no me ye sure se by now no we hu se enkoye minim gabby sa oche da ko na meka Machomen na oyo mo saa no Akufo Addo anweni abayi a ye friend is 2016 no na wono wawu kura wie aka se de ne be kwa Mahamadu enti wono no to him no to me na ekura wo mo no senya no a nke bi aka wawu enti wo pe kwan bi afa so ama omo adi nsɛmhunu
You're waiting for winning and somewhere you live to where or you're a regular panelist on the political talk show and you're pro and some go ye pa to say the food or dance some do nara edi Ato TV the amane Akufo Addo Bawumia EC now what the some do nara and atuja Mikao says so when you subscribe to channel the abomodia say obe subscribe na what face so like the video na face share ma of so now when you be here now we and somewhere ekoso e Ghana memano also betimi otchere wadwen afa ye samwe nyina ho e wo comment box mu mobete minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.